I'd like to talk about adaptability. International Space Station is a long-term program. It was always envisaged as a program that would change over time, but the things that changed were many of them unpredictable. Policy changes, technical problems, financial constraints. And so it was important to be able to adapt to these things. So for one example, the agreements provided that each of the partners would share in the operating costs of the space station. Well, that would imply that partners from other countries would pay the United States that was initially doing most of the operations. But as we went along in the program, partners didn't want to send cash to the United States. It's much more attractive to politicians to spend your money domestically. And so one way that we adapted to that was having partners contribute additional goods and services to offset the costs that they owed for operations. And through those kinds of arrangements, we ended up with the automated transfer vehicle from Europe and the HTV for cargo transportation from Japan. Those were adaptations that came over time, and the clauses in the agreement allowed for that flexibility. And so with regard to exploration, that would also be a long-term endeavor. And so the agreements that one would craft for a future exploration program needs to allow for the opportunity for evolution, adaptation, and the possibility that there would be new contributions or changes in the nature of the contribution. So build in that flexibility.